is the garden city of India. As it is popularly known as, Bengaluru is widely regarded as the Silicon Valley of India or IT capital of India. Various multinational companies are headquartered in the city. A demographically diverse city, Bengaluru, the Karnataka's state capital, is the second fastest growing major metropolis in India. South Bengaluru is home to well-reputed educational institutions, and among them are the institutions run by Kammavari Sangham. The Kammavari Sangham, established in the year 1952 as a registered society, is a non-profit oriented voluntary service organization. The services of the organization are spread into many folds, starting from cooperative sector, health sector, and various other philanthropic activities. Realizing the need of providing quality technical education at affordable cost, Kammavari Sangham started educational institutions offering high-quality education with excellent infrastructures. Kammavari Sangham started KS Polytechnic in the year 1992, KS Institute of Technology in the year 1999, KS School of Engineering and Management in the year 2010, and KS School of Architecture in the year 2015. KS Group of institutions are located on the Kanakpura Road, south of Bengaluru. The institution is spread across two campuses. Campus 1 houses KS Institute of Technology and KS Polytechnic. Campus 2 houses KS School of Engineering and Management and KS School of Architecture. KS Group of institutions provides world-class infrastructure with modern architectural design, eco-sustainable green campus, metro interconnectivity and continental cafeteria that embraces the academic vitality of the institution. Courses offered in KS Group of institutions: Bachelor of Engineering in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Design, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Architecture, Master of Business Administration in HR, Finance and Marketing, Polytechnic Diploma in CSE, ECE, Civil, Mechanical and Automobile, MTech and research centers in various disciplines.
The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering has been established with the intention of producing highly skilled EC engineers with diligence and good technical skills. Also, the IEEE KSSEM student branch was set up in the year 2012.
The KS Group of institutions is at the forefront in nurturing students for their all-round development and mold them to industry-ready engineers with a team of highly qualified, well-experienced, motivated staff members. Some of the reputed companies who have recruited our students are Infosys, NTT Data, HSBC, TCS, Robert Bosch, etc. To develop entrepreneurial skills amongst its young minds, Innovation and Entrepreneur Development Cell is the perfect stage at KS Group of institutions.
The BE program allows the students to improve their skills in various fields such as communication skills, leadership qualities, and many more.
Students' knowledge is enriched through libraries with material accessible by electronic means encompassing very large amounts of information with a variety of digital resources. KS Group of Institutions provides state-of-the-art laboratories with well-equipped facilities, high-tech library. Excellent hostel facility for boys and girls separately, with spacious, well-ventilated rooms with hygienic food and round-the-clock security. In-house gym, ample facility for outdoor games, etc. Provides transport facility with a fleet of high-tech buses connecting various corners of Bengaluru city. KS institutions are well connected by Namma Metro's Vajarahalli station on Green Line. KS Group of Institution facilitates Learning Resource Center, a library with the finest collection of books, journals, e-journals, corporate and industry information and e-access to research databases in the lifeblood of the institution.
The infrastructure of KSIT is simply superb, and by on-campus drive, I have been placed in Jaro Education India. I would wish and I would thank the KS Institute of Technology for the great experience and towards me. My best wishes to the prospective students.
The classrooms are designed so as to create the right atmosphere that facilitates learning and knowledge sharing. The classrooms are spacious, equipped with latest peripheral devices which facilitates interactive online learning virtual experience. The auditorium, seminar halls and conference halls are equipped with the latest audio-visual display and projection systems, making learning a pleasure for the students. To train the students to become successful leaders and entrepreneurs, KS Group of Institutions partnered with various professional bodies like
ISTE, IEEE, CSI, IATE, SAE, ACCE, IEI, IIF.
We already have certain idea of how the profession is working, which is generally not seen. In the architecture school itself, we are learning that how profession and the training happens both together.
KS Group of Institutions reflects its true identity as a center of excellence in extracurricular activities, giving ample support for students' involvement in sports and cultural activities. Students of Kammavari Sangham Group brought laurels to the institutions by winning in sports and cultural activities organized at university levels and national level.
Ananya, Arohana are some of the annual fests that take place here. It provides us a wide platform to showcase our talents in dancing, singing, mimicry, acting and many more.
Many companies like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wells Fargo, Siemens, Accenture, Axis, ANZ and multinational MNCs visit our campus in recruiting our students regularly.
And my placement department has given me the opportunity to get placed in 4 prestigious companies such as NTT Data, Capgemini and FIS Global.
To make your dream realize, we welcome you to be the part of KS Group of Institutions.